This video will explain the concept of WhatsApp CRM. It's a Chrome application, Chrome plugin, which will sit on your web WhatsApp. You don't have to buy a domain, you don't have to buy a VPS, or you don't require any other additional infrastructure. So there is no additional expenses. When you purchase this plugin from us, it is only that much expenses you will be incurring. Okay, so when you install this Chrome extension, your web WhatsApp GUI will look like this. This is all same, but on the top menu there will be a lot of other functionalities which will be added to your web WhatsApp. So if you see the left side, there is a logo. There are few tabs what we have created, or few tabs which is default, like all, unread, one-to-one, awaiting reply, businesses, groups, official, and so on. These are the predefined tabs created by the application. There is a provision in the system where you can create tabs as per your requirement. Okay, so all, it does not have to be explained. All is, when you click on all, it will show you all the messages which is having in your web WhatsApp. When you click on unread, it will show you all the unread messages. One-to-one is a tab created by the system. I'll explain its requirement or its benefit later in the video. Awaiting reply, this is very interesting. Awaiting reply represents when you have messaged someone and he haven't replied, so that if you click on this awaiting reply tab, you will be able to see all the contacts you have messaged but they haven't replied, so you can do a follow-up with them. Okay, business, this segments the numbers which has a business account. This is group, it will show all the groups which will be having in your web WhatsApp are your groups, and these are the official business WhatsApp users. Okay, so as I've said, you can create your own tab. I will explain this in a bit. Okay, so apart from that, there is a plus icon. When you click on this, you can write any number, write message, and start chatting with them without saving the number on your phone or on your WhatsApp. So this is the one feature. So the first main module it has got is broadcast. Okay, so when you, I'm not going to deep in the each and every module. I'm just explaining you the functionality which this application has got. Okay, so when you click on broadcast, you will be able to broadcast the messages to each tab what you have created. Okay, so you can select one-to-one, you can select group, you can select label, you can select tab and select the tab what you have created. So this is the additional tab I have created for a testing purpose. So you can select this and click on save. Here you can write the message. There are a couple of options: message plus images and video, message plus documents and audio, message plus contact, message plus buttons, message plus product. Buttons are still not working in it because it is restricted by WhatsApp, but I'll explain you, or I'll update you the minute it starts. Okay, the message plus product is very interesting. You can send the product information to your customer here. So these are the test product which I have created to explain this in video. You can select the interval. Okay, and you can just click on the preview and you are all set to go. Okay, so this is broadcast. Then there is tabs. I have just explained you that there are predefined tabs in the system already, but by using this element which is tabs, you can create your own tab here by clicking on add tab. Okay, so you can create a tab, you can fill up the tab details, you can select all the customer who you want to put into that tag and save. If you do not wish to see any tag, for example one-to-one is visible, when you click on this it will be invisible, so it will be gone from the top bar. Okay, so there is templates. You can create predefined templates here. I'll just edit the existing template and I'll explain you. So the test name, template name, the template for, you can select the tab here. Personalized value, you can select the personalized value. It will be like a variables in the systems. Okay, so you can select the message type here as I explained in the broadcast. You can type the first name, last name, add more variables into this. You can bold, you can make this italic, you can strike out, you can use images, template stashes, you can disable or enable, and just click on save. Okay, then there is a workflow. So workflow is nothing but a chatbot. So when you click on add workflow, you can give the name, you can select the execution workflow for each tab or group, execution for every new chat, execution for selected word. When you click on execute for selected word, it becomes your chatbot. Okay, so you can add the keyword here, hi, hello. Let's test this. The keyword is hi. Execution for specific word, whole word match. Case sensitive, reply on a specific day. You can select the date here, or you can keep it blank as per your requirement. Okay, so workflow execution count for one-to-one chat. It will allow you to decide how much time the execution will happen. Okay, I'll make it disable. Now I'll simply click on message only and I'll write something. This is workflow test. Okay, you can select the interval here. Okay, so here are some settings. When there is a delay, you can show typing status. Okay, you can check out all these, and I'll just click on save. Welcome message. I forgot to mention the name. Okay, this is done. Now let me test the message. I'll select hi. See, this is typing, and after the time delay what we have specified, this will send the message to your customer. Hi, this is workflow test. This is how this is going to work. Okay, then there is schedule broadcast. You can schedule message to each customer by creating a schedule broadcast. Okay, you can give the name, you can select the contact list, you can select all these labels, tabs, group. Okay, click on next. Let's select something. Okay, test. I'll select the label. This is the label I have created. I'll click on next. Okay, so here you can schedule a message. So you need to choose message delay, schedule an action, preview and submit. Okay, I'm not going to explain you everything because most of the people are already using work WhatsApp application, so they are familiar with the term. Okay, after that there is a schedule. All the schedule which you create in here will be displayed here. Okay, you can add it from here also. Okay, then there is notes. You can create notes for each customers. Okay, for example, if you want to follow up with something and he has specified the specific instruction, he have given the specific instruction about the product or delivery or service, you can write it here. There is a reminder. For example, let me delete this and I'll show you how the reminder works. I'll simply click on add reminder. It's 1:10 p.m. I'll just simply make it 1:12. Okay, 1:12:06 seconds. Click on save. SP follow up with Sandeep. Hi Sandeep. Okay, sorry. Please remind Sandeep to make the payment. So this is the reminder you have set. I'll just click on save. Okay. Now I will explain how this works in a minute. Okay. Let's go ahead. Now there is another few options. When you click on this, it will give you the options of blur setting, WhatsApp link generation, utilities, export contacts, group features, module setting, CRM settings attribute, CRM custom tag, import export data, and rapid response. Okay, so when I click on blur, you will be able to blur the messages. For example, I am using this setting now. If I click on blur profile, untick on blur profile name, it will start displaying the names. If I click here, it will disappear. If I untick the blur messages, it will start displaying the messages. Okay, so this is how it works. WhatsApp link generation, you can specify your number here, enter the message and create link, so that you can use this link in any website, or if you want to share it to your customer so that when they click on this link they can directly talk to you over WhatsApp, you can do this. Utilities, you can simply click on that and disable all the names here. I'll just untick that. Export contacts, you can export all the contacts here from group. For example, let me do one thing, all contacts from the chat. Okay, download Excel. So this is the Excel sheet which I'm going to have on my PC. Okay, so these are the customer numbers. Okay, so this is how it works. Now then we have group features, wherein you can find the duplicate groups. You can find one contact which is there in multiple groups. You can have a bulk group joiner here. You can just specify the group link and click on join. It will join automatically. You can clone the group from here. Okay, features, module settings. These are the settings, module settings. This is online. Customer attributes, you can create a customer attributes here. For example, in the CRM module, we are tracking the full name, phone number, email, gender, birth date, details, address, tags. You can create custom fields so that you can track additional information about the customer. Now, how you are going to see this information? You select any contact. For example, I'll click on all. I'll click on this, and there is a CRM option in front of your customer's name. You just click on that. You'll be able to see all the profiles. Now, I have not added any information, so that it's empty. So you can see the tabs here, you can see the schedules here, you can see the notes here, you can see the reminders here for each contact. Okay, and when you click on the account menu, so you can activate, deactivate your license. So these are the advanced tools which you already seen. These are the settings which you already seen. Okay, so this application is a powerful one which will make your web WhatsApp more visible. So by using this tool, You can plan your customer appointments, you can organize your customer database, you can predefine messages to them, you can control everything. So this will give you a one step ahead with the customer satisfaction thing. Okay, so by using this element, you not only organize your customer data in your WhatsApp, but also you tend to forget few things. For example, if you are traveling, if some customer calls you and you say, I'm traveling, I'll get back to you tomorrow. Immediately, if you schedule this reminder, so tomorrow when you reach office or when you are traveling again, you will get a reminder, you will get a immediately message on you need to follow up this. See, follow up with Sandeep, please remind Sandeep for you to make the payment. So this kind of a notification, it will keep on giving when you use the reminder mode. Another one creative feature I missed to explain you that, for example, if you click on any contact, I'll cancel this, any contact, there is something called rapid response. Okay, so in the chat box of your web WhatsApp, just below the chatbot, there is a feature called no rapid response found, add rapid response. You just have to click on this plus icon and you can create a rapid response. For example, many times what happens, your customer asks you to send some information like address, your GST number. So you can predefine these messages within the system so that you don't have to type or search for this information every time. For example, I'll type address. Okay, okay, this is, I'm going to pin it in the response bar and I will write Global Tech, Mira Road, Mumbai, just for an example. Okay, you can specify the delay also and I'll simply click on save. So whenever customers ask you for this information, let's say Sandeep is asking for this information, so there is a pinned message. You just have to click on that. Based on the delay what you have specified in the rapid response, it will shoot the message. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, Global Tech, Mira Road, Mumbai. So these kind of activity will increase your productivity. So this is the best and ideal application for the people who are into customer support, who sells product or services, or who are more customer centric. Okay, so I hope you have understood the entire concept of WhatsApp CRM and also liked all the features what we have in this module. Okay, thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video.